K-TARIP is the IT suite designed by SIKUEL to improve waste collection management and offer a solution integrating all workflows into a single scalable system for all administrative needs. Working with it, you are immediately aware of the many advantages: enhanced performances, monitoring all assets in real time, centralize all communication processes through easy and automatic flows, increase productivity through the accurate control of management costs. To configure the IT environment, you have to import all the databases of the interconnected resources to create a unique database. The software schedules the kit distribution to users according to current legislation, population density, and type of users, thus improving delivery time and logistics. The kit distribution, door-to-door or in specific centers, is directly managed by operators in a few steps thanks to K-TARIP mobile app installed on rugged devices. The census options of the app allow to enter, correct, and update user data. These options help data cleansing of the tax database, intending to reduce tax evasion and avoidance. K-TARIP computerizes local drop-off centers with a specific app and provides complete remote monitoring in real time. The software manages the drop-off centers, providing a recognition system for operators by badges, incoming and outgoing vehicle weighing, waste fractions in stock, administrative management of receipts, delivery forms, loading and unloading operations documents, and all reports about conditions and statistics. Moreover, the software identifies users, permits the weighing of their waste drop-off, and calculates the bonus provided for in the regulations. When operations are completed, the user receives a summary receipt. Efficiency and performance are the technological essence of K-TARIP, managing all activities from the CRM and with the tools of workforce management. The CRM manages and controls internal operations and users' requests or reports. The WFM manages operators, the fleet of vehicles, and the services to be carried out, to plan all activities and assign them to a specific team directly from the smartphone app of their devices. In this way, the workflow will be centralized and reduced to a few steps, achieving total control of every aspect of the waste collection and speeding up the service. The K-TARIP data acquisition tools permit the real-time control of team progress during the curbside collection, from operators check-in to vehicle tracking on the map, from the emptying of containers via wearable readers until the end of daily activities with statistics and reports. K-TARIP obtains and combines data from all the assets of the territory, providing a complete overview of the interconnected environment and calculating waste generation averages of all users, who can have all the information needed simply using the specific app. K-TARIP Mobile connects the user, management provider, and public administration to animate communities to achieve the larger goal of the circular economy: zero waste.